11, thank you.
This is the most powerful weapon we have in our battle against Tiger.
We're gonna do both. They're gonna change out right now.
All right, Tim, and now
That's okay. They will be back. 11, thank you. So pretty much while we were meeting Gwen and Loki, they were going out.
Got the perfect place. There you go.
I just didn't want to, I didn't realize.
I gotta think this. Done. Totally on that way. Sure did.
Are you practicing your Spidey powers, Minnie?
You look so wonderful.
That'd be pretty crazy to have a web come out of your glove.
Look at you with your best friend. So perfect. And of course you don't have your buttons. That's right. Beautiful. So nice. And look at you, Minnie. I know I got to represent, right? You look so good. Yay. And you have your A for Avengers, right? Or is that America? Let's see. America. Yes, I love it. It's so cool. Can we? Oh, do you have cool powers too?
A for animation.
Did you take the super serum? Maybe just a little bit. Are you nice and strong? Yes, I think you're nice and strong. I definitely think you can protect your Princess Minnie, right? Yeah. Is she like your Peggy? Is she like your Peggy? I think she might be like your Peggy, right? Can we take a picture?